Hi everyone, welcome back to new video. So in this video, going to be a resume review. Recently, I had posted one of my video in that I had been mentioned that if you wanted to do a resume review, you can just go there, check the video, and you can also fill that Google form because I got a many of a response. Like as you can see on the screen, like too many of a response, and like I'll be showing you any of a random five of a resume, and I will be also explaining you in detail that what all the things it should be there, how you need to improve it, because like your resume is only one thing that it should be like one of the best thing and like good of a enough of thing to crack any of a company, because like the company would be looking your resume for 5 to 10 seconds, and like they will be letting you know that you have done everything or not. So resume should be top of the notch. So let's begin how you need to do. And if you haven't like a subscribe channel till now, then what you are waiting for, please subscribe it. All right, so let's begin. And I have like many of our resume on screen, like it's many of them, but let's select any of a random one. So random this. All right, so this is a resume like full stack there. Then yeah, like little bit spacing issues, like take care of it. And our website, like okay, GitHub stats and everything. uh Profile, okay. Okay, the skill set will be also working it. And professional experience, I think like professional experience should be mentioned or on top. And instead of writing this like profile thing, like I won't suggest you to write this thing, just write your make a like directly only the projects. Explain in detail like what are the things here you have been done. It like you just wrote that an next step created by a user view website sport item and shopping the item. Explain it very well so that interviewer can understand that you have done this thing of project in the projects that educations MCA and this. No need of for this language and all things. It doesn't matter. It then the certification, like you had like a good enough of and like experience, so no need of this certification also. And education, like instead of for this profile you can write that on top of it. So that's a pretty good change. Like in project also, like explain it very well. And yeah, like you had like a decent good experience, just use the right of a template. So I had also like a mention in that resume video that which resume template I had been using helped me to got an offer. Use that template. It's an good, and it has a good ATS score also around 90 plus. So use that template. Rest like everything, it's look okay only. So try to make a resume in one page and like use the template. It will be great. All right. Then moving to other uh, first guy who uploaded. Let's look at him. Okay. So okay, email address, and make like this a little bit proper template so that like it look decent. And yeah, like it's a when you look on a screen, like it it's just a simple of thing. So Bachelor of Technology, Valuing Shift Technology. Okay, expected. Why expected, right? Yeah, like from 2021 to 2025. So don't write this expected. Definitely you'll be graduating in 2025. So CGPA, okay. Then relevant coursework, okay. Uh, then skill, okay. This is your language, front end technology, HTML, CSS tool. Uh, I think you need to work upon your skills and learn and do many of things, because like this skill set, like it's too vertical. Less enough. You need to learn the latest of JavaScript frameworks like React. Try to learn React and Next.js and Node.js and Express.js, MongoDB and NoSQL type of thing. So it will be great. Learn then this projects over project. HTML, CSS, like it's basic of a thing of any project. Try to make like good of an project. Add also like your project link so that it will be like easy. Then achievement. Oh, 500 questions. Completed 100 districts. Institutions like interest. No need of this writing interest. Like make your resume like that presentable. Like this is an like simple of a thing. Like you just made your resume, but make your resume in such a presentable like it look good and enough. Like you have wrote like 500 problems on lead code. So let's check it out. Alright. Oh, nice. need to learn. Consistency is also there. So just to make sure that you use the right template, make it properly, and rest like everything, it's okay to go. So do that thing. Okay. And now let's look out one of first resume which latest. Oh, nice. This is also like a one of an good resume template. Make sure that you follow this template also. See, like software engineering intern. Okay, means you're doing internship. If you don't write here, then also it's okay. Like I won't suggest you to write here. Just write on you. Then this is like okay. An experience, yeah, it's perfect. Like you've written everything, what thing you have been working on it, and everything. Education's nice currently. Yeah, like in which like you are going to graduate, so like it will be 2025. So right here, like instead of currently, right 2025. Then achievement, nice. This is achievement. Then technical skills, oh nice. Coursework, correct. Then project, and yeah, one more thing. Yeah, that's also correct. Then your project why this like front end and back end is there here also front end back end. Remove this thing like here it's already a link is also mentioned of your GitHub, so it would be great. So here also same mistake like you have done, like just correct it or else it's okay. Like an open source contributor, great. So this is like a top of a notch of your resume. So everyone like those who are watching the video, make sure that you make your resume like this type of like presentable and like use templates. It's already there. There have been many websites that you can use pretty good and awesome templates are there for resume. Use that because like it helps to improve your ATS score and then you can get a more chance to get shortlisted for the company. Okay, and one more resume we'll be seeing it. Oh, this is something new. You have written your name, career objective, okay, skills, communication skills, then Bachelor of Science, Physics, Chemistry, Maths, okay, yes, you're pursuing, nice. Strength, the patient, dedicated, hard work, yeah. Communications and personal details, everything, and declaration. I think like you should like whatever your fields have been there, according to that like choose any decent kind of template because like this is a simple and like little bit like whatever. It's not that much like presentable and looking good. So like try to mention take one of your resume template according to that. Use the template so that everything like you can arrange it out and look well. As you see in the last template, it was like too good and too awesome. So like use that kind of templates. Use a different colors like a blue and black thing or else a bold type of thing. So it will look great. Like that way, try to improve like work upon your skills. Add two or three more type of skills and like what are the like domain you wanted to go. Just make according to that project or do any work experience so that it would be great. Try to get an internship opportunity. So it would be great. Work upon it. Then this thing. Oh, it's nice. And Sai Sanjay. Yeah, like bro, try to like keep a decent photo. Like if you're keeping it, then what this site is taking. Oh, nice portfolio website. Personally, I love it. Instead of a site like write a portfolio website, then no need to write of this thing that's system engineering internet at this. No need of that. Key skills. Okay, software. What do you mean by software? Just remove this thing. Programming language. Okay, like you can like tools or framework or like technology that you've been doing it so that you can write of it. Technical experience. Okay, you have done this kind of a thing. This two thing like it won't be coming under the experience. It will be coming under the position of your responsibility. Remember that those things that you have been a part of any of a club, then that thing you will be writing in your resume. Don't write under the experience because it's not an like any organization or any of a kind of a experience. So try to write in the position of a responsibility or inside you can write volunteering thing also you can write. So do that thing. Then technical projects, too many of our projects. Like try to give a two or three like best of your projects. Then education's like you should write on the top, and research publication. And like bro, like try to use like a decent kind of template, like because like this won't be that much good, and two-page resume, like it won't like good too good. So use a pretty good template, and you had like everything. And best of all, like skill experience also, your skills also, your projects also, your research publication. So use a good ATS friendly template, so you can get a best of an opportunity. So work upon your resume. Then one more thing, one more, we'll see. This will see. Oh, nice. Passionate computer science opportunity. Okay. Education. Okay. Skills. Okay. Work upon your skills. Learn new frameworks. Course. Oh, are internship you have done then? Write internship on our top of thing. Then academic project. Nice. Other activities. Nice. What is thank you? I guess this you have made a like CV type of thing, but resume it shouldn't be often 2 page. Like resume should be often 1 page only. So let me like clear your doubt, like how the ordering should be there. So first thing that are coming, that would be your name and address, say your contact details, email, important thing. Then your like links and everything you can give it. Then you can add up on your education thing. Then skills or else internship work experience you can give. Then skills or project also you can give, and then like positions of responsibility, then extra or extracurricular activities or achievement, and last you can give a certification. Then no need of what you call interest, language you have been speaking, and like that type of thing. Then no need of what you call hobbies and that kind of thing. It doesn't matter. Like if like they wanted to ask in your resume, means like in a interview time, then you can little bit discuss, but like no need to write in your resume, just it will take space. So all right, so there have been many of our resume, but lack of time, and you are not subscribing the channel, so it will take time. So make sure that you subscribe the channel. See you in the upcoming video, and you can watch out our previous videos also.